Chapter 4 Agriculture. We have already learned in session 1 the introduction and type of agriculture. In session 2 we have covered cropping pattern and major food crops. In session 3 we will cover non-food crops and beverage crops. Sugarcane. It's tropical and subtropical crop which is grown in most part of the country. It is grown in the region with hot and humid climate. Temperature ranging from 21 to 27 Celsius. The annual rainfall required is 75 cm to 100 cm. It is labor intensive. The major sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Oilseed is yet another important crop grown over 12% of total cropped area in India. India is the largest producer of oilseed in the world. The seed produced in India are groundnuts, mustard seed, coconut, soya bean, castor seed, cotton seed, linseed and sunflower. The oil seeds are converted into oil that is used for cooling. Oil seeds also act as an industrial raw material for production of soap, cosmetic and ointment. Largest grown oil seed is groundnut and Gujarat is the largest producer of it, followed by Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Beverage crops. Beverage crops grown in India includes tea, coffee and cocoa. Tea grows well in tropical and subtropical climate endowed with a deep and fertile well-drained soil, rich in humor and organic matter. Frequent shower eventually disturbed over the years, ensuring continuous growth of tender leaves. Tea is a labor-intensive industry. It requires abundant and cheap and skilled labor. Tea is produced within the tea garden to restore its freshness. Major tea producing states of India are Assam, Hill of Darjeeling, District of West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Coffee. It is the second most popular beverage of India. Coffee cultivation was introduced for the first time in Baba Budan Hill in South India. Coffee is grown on the tropical highland. Ideally, coffee plantation require temperatures ranging between 16 Celsius to 28 Celsius throughout the year. It needs well-disturbed rains ranging between 125 centimeters to 200 centimeters throughout the year. Coffee is grown in red laterite soil that is rich in iron and organic matter. It is sensitive to cold and frost. Direct sun rays are injurious to coffee plant, therefore it is often grown in the shade of other trees. Hilly slopes are suitable for coffee plantation because the land can be kept free from waterlogging. In fact, the mountain slope at elevation varying from 500 to 1800 meters in the tropical highland are the best for coffee plantation. Coffee is produced in the hilly tracts of states of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Coffee cultivation needs plenty of labor for planting, seed transplanting, plucking the coffee cherries and processing of coffee in the factory. In session 3, we have learned non-food crops and beverage crops. Those of you who have still not subscribed the channel, press the bell button